peppermint oreo.
Oh.
I'll tell you though, it is very good. Peppermint Oreo Blizzard ice cream. Oh, so good.
Oh, that's the portion I thought that was good. That's what I like.
That's the one Alyssa goes to too.
Oh, really?
Yep.
What kind of
What?
car?
Go ahead.
Funny, go ahead. What should be easy? Back or go forward? Probably that way.
I'm gonna say let's try.
B97.5, today's hits and all your Christmas favorites. We have teamed up with the city of Seville, the shopping capital. Helping spread the love. Here you can visit the Central Citizen page on our website for all things Christmas. We're talking recipes, events, not stressed out like celebrating around the sun.
Oh, Grandma. Forgot to tell you, I don't know if you know, but Lumberjack Pizza is getting rid of the huge pizza challenge. Yeah, remember that huge pizza you saw? It was like a 32 or something like that. Yeah, they're getting rid of that challenge. And then they're getting rid of their salads, so the only thing that they'll have is a side salad. And they're also getting rid of their like stromboli and that.
What was the pizza challenge?
You have a huge pizza and there's like 2 or 3 people with you. And you have to complete it under like 5 minutes or something, and you get a t-shirt and your picture on the wall.
Oh, that was one that was loaded with almost everything, was it?
Uh-huh.